Hey guys, so I forgot to add some stuff from the mall. So I got Bop, Roslynch, them, Little Mix. They're coming to my hometown. So yeah, I haven't taken out the posters yet, but you guys could see them from there. Yeah. And then these are like new pictures, updated pictures of them. And then there's this poster, which I think is really, really cool. Yeah. You could see Harry's. But yeah. Then I got the new Color Whisper one. There was another one that I wanted to get, but they didn't have it. It's not focusing. Kind of, but that's what I got. I should have put flash on. It's one size fits pearl. It's not focusing, but yeah. And it looks like. So that's how the lid looks. And the thing. I wanted coral and bastion or something like that. So looks like that. I know you guys can't see it right now because I'm holding it with one hand. But it looks, this on camera looks like more pink. But it's kind of a dark pink. But yeah, I love it so much. So hold on. The last thing I'm more excited about it. I have to go get one more thing, so just hold on. Sorry guys, there's two things I'm most excited about. So hold on. I got Dare to Dream. Oh my gosh, look. Dare to Dream. They had these other ones that were 20% off, but I got this one. It was $12.99. So yeah, most of you guys have it. But yeah. There's pictures. I'll show you the introduction. So you click. So I'm shaky. So those are their signatures. And this really baby picture that I love in Braille. I have to get it. Take a while. Mom, Leon, Louis, 9. Like, oh my gosh, look at him. He looks so cute. But yeah, I love this book. I read some of it, but I need to finish it. So I got this at Target, and I couldn't find the sticker book. I only found 3 of the books. And this is my first ever, hold on, One Direction shirt. I don't know if I could say the name where I got it. It might be local. So it's like a kind of updated shirt. They had a white one, but Now the black one. Saying Louis, Liam, Harry, and Niall. And it's like the background is a Union Jack flag. It's One Direction. And I don't think it's official. No, it was, where is it at? $12.99. I mean $10.99. So yeah, those are the most things that I was excited about. So yeah, that's everything we got. And plus the things I got at the mall. Things I just got like at other stores. So yeah. Bye.